In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record your Windows 11 laptop screen for free, without downloading any extra software. Open the snipping tool first, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen or click on the Windows icon in the taskbar. In the search field, type snipping tool. Once it appears, click on it to open it. The snipping tool is a built-in app in Windows 11, mainly used for taking screenshots. But it also has a hidden screen recording feature. Switch to video recording mode once the snipping tool is open. Look at the top menu and click on the video camera icon. This will switch the tool from screenshot mode to video recording mode. Activate screen recording next. Press Windows, Shift, R on your keyboard. This shortcut activates the recording feature and brings up a selection tool. This tool allows you to choose which part of the screen you want to record. If you only need to capture a specific area, click and drag to select that portion. If you want to record your entire screen, simply select the whole area to ensure everything is captured. Start recording once you've adjusted all the settings. Click Start, and a countdown will begin before the recording starts. At this point, everything on your screen will be recorded. You can open folders, navigate through apps, browse the web, or do anything else you need to capture. Stop recording when you're done recording. Click on the Stop Recording button. The snipping tool will automatically open the recorded video for preview. If you're satisfied with the recording, you can save it by clicking on the Save icon at the top right corner. Save the recording. Choose a destination folder on your computer, and save the file. And that is how you can screen record on Windows 11 for free.